Hazrat Abu Hurairah, may God be pleased with him, said that the Messenger of God, may God bless him and grant him peace, said that when a person dies, the reward of his actions is cut off. Except for 3 actions, that their reward it continues even after death. 1. The reward of continuous charity. 2. Or the reward of knowledge from which people benefit. 3. Or virtuous children who keep praying for it. Sharh-e-Hadith. As long as a person lives, he continues to do good deeds and his good deeds are rewarded, but when a person dies, the chain of his deeds ends and the chain of his reward is also cut off. But 3 men are so lucky that even after death, the chain of reward for their deeds continues and the reward continues to reach their graves. The first person among them is the one who died after doing some charity in his life, even if he is sleeping in a grave and does not do any action except his charity in his book of deeds. The reward of the current continues to be recorded equally. What is sadaqah jariyah? For example, building a mosque, building a seminary, building a well, building a guest house, or dedicating a property for charity. As long as these things remain, the chain of their reward will continue and every moment will be rewarded. The prayers that will be offered in the mosque built by him and the number of prayers that will be offered. Just as those who offer prayers will be rewarded, the builder of the mosque will also be rewarded. The people who will read and teach in the madrasa built by him, the thirsty people who will be watered by the well built by him, the people who will perform ablution, will get the reward of the madrasa and the well builder. The reward of all will continue to be received by the familiar and the reward will continue to reach the grave of the dedicator. The second is the person who died leaving behind some knowledge that would benefit the Prophet's ummah. For example, he died after writing a useful book. He died after teaching knowledge to some students. He died after buying religious books. Then he dedicated it as those who read and teach religion will be rewarded. Similarly, this person will continue to receive reward even in the grave. The third person is the one who has made his children good and righteous by educating and training them, then after his death, all his children who continue to pray for him and pray for forgiveness will always receive his reward. May God bless every Muslim in this world with these 3 good deeds. Ameen.